Hello guys, welcome once again to my video. Okay, in today's video I will show you how you can actually generate AI images using Capcut. Actually try to let's say I try to get an alternative to some complicated sites, because you all know about I don't know if you know about this site called Leonardo.ai and the likes of it. There are kind of sites which are complicated to use, especially if you're a beginner in this AI industry, or as in terms of image generation generating. So basically it's really complicated, and actually it has some limitations, like it gives you coins whereby you have to come back the next day to get when you exhaust the coins. So all those things are things that makes it so difficult to generate even realistic images on Leonardo and the other AIs. So, but today I'll be showing you an alternative which is to absolutely free, flexible, and easy. It is free, flexible, and easy. So, and the tools I'm going to be using here in today's video is CapCut. Okay, I'll be using CapCut to generate image. So I'll be generating image from a text. So what I just have to do is to give it a prompt. So the text is called prompt, while the output is the image. So using the AI. So now what you just have to do normally, if you open your CapCut, you will just see something like this ahead on the head here. So this something like this on the head. So but basically what you want to do is to generate text to image, so you can expand it to see other functions. I'll also talk about other functions in the upcoming video. If you want me to talk more about these other functions, you can comment in the comment section by saying we need tutorials, you understand. Okay, so but for today I'll be showing you how to generate image using text. So let's select this image text now. That's text to image. So once I select the text to image, so once I select the text to image, so as you can see, a sample has been given to us here. A sample has been given to us. So basically, I would like us to create our own image. And one amazing thing about this is that it gives us a realistic image and it's absolutely free. And the quality of the image is top notch. The quality of the image is top notch. But one thing I've found about all these AI images is that it's easily to identify them. Very, very easy. I don't know, based on how the pixels are arranged, and they look too smooth than normal realistic image. So they look somehow. So you will always know that it's an AI image, but they are still realistic. You understand? I don't know if the camera is too high or something like that, sha. But let's just try and create our own image now using text. So there, let me first of all show you settings here. So if you come down to your left corner here, you will see something like a settings. Click on it. So you can actually generate anime images, and you can also set the dimension of the image you want and the quality. So I prefer 50. It's okay, 50 quality. So let's first of all do general and select this 1:1 ratio. So click on OK. So let's give it our own prompt. So let's give it our own prompt. Okay, just say ultra realistic young. Okay, let's just give it a prompt. Young lady running down. So we are trying to create a prompt that will give us something realistic. So we say ultra realistic young lady running down the street happily. Okay, let's just see something. So we are using the general prompt now. Let's just click on generate. The amazing part about this thing is that it's easy to use and it's free, totally free. It's not like they give you coins to use or any other stuff, you understand. It's absolutely free. All you just need is an internet connection. Can you see? All you just need is an internet connection. So you can see now it has theory. You can even modify it. That is, you can add some prompts to make it more. Maybe you don't have, you don't like what it gives to you. You want to make it, add some things to it. You understand? You can also regenerate. If you click on this regenerate button, it's going to regenerate another samples for you. It gives you four samples each, four samples. So the other ones are still available up here. Okay, so you just need a good internet connection for this. I think my internet is good. Okay, can you see? Okay, Okay, the all of them are actually good and they are really realistic, but it's just that you can actually identify them as they are AI. Okay, that's just one thing about AI. So let's just pick one of these. So let's pick this. Now, there are two things you can do when you select one. You can either download it like that or you upscale it. Now, the essence of the upscaling is for you to have a higher dimension or higher resolution of that picture. So when I press on the upscale, it increases the dimension and the scale of that image to make it more realistic. Sorry, to make it more clearer. You understand? To make it more clearer and sharp, make it more sharpen. You understand? So this is the image now. So you can now save it. You can click on save. So it has been saved to your gallery. So free, absolutely free. So I think we have learned that. So let's just go to the anime section and check. Let's just use the same prompt. You can change the prompt if you want. So let's just click generate. Let's see the anime style of it. It's an amazing feature on Capcut. Very, very amazing feature. You don't need to go to other. If you are a YouTuber or anyone, can you see a very nice picture? You can even use to create. You can use to create stories on Capcut. You can use to create stories. All those faceless China YouTubers, you can use this for your stories on Capcut. So it's very, very nice. You can just create stories with it. So let me just save it like this. I'll save it. So these are basically everything you can do here with the text. So you can just make sure you have a good prompt to give you more realistic image. You understand? That is just basically it. So you can also showcase your work here. So you can showcase your work. So a lot of people have showcased their work. As you can see, all these things are generated using CapCut. Can you see how realistic this one is? This one with us, very, very realistic. So it depends on your prompt. It depends on your prompt. You can even ask AI to give you a good prompt. AI to give you a good prompt. Can you see this realistic? How realistic this one is? Can you see how realistic? You can see backgrounds. Can you see a lot of nice images that are looking so realistic? Even to me, I feel this AI is more powerful than other AIs. I don't know, sha, but I feel this one is still more okay to me. As you can see, I feel it's more okay to me. So let's go to the illustration side. Wow, so beautiful. Can you see what CapCut actually did here? Let's go to photography. Wow, this is awesome, man. This is really, really awesome. Sorry, this is really, really awesome. Awesome. Can't you see this image? This is so realistic, man. Can you see this how realistic? See the prompt here. You can study other people's prompts. You can study other people's prompts to. If you're a photographer, you will it will be very nice using all these prompts because you get something more realistic because you know how camera works. So you define the camera angles, you define the lights that is coming in the SIO or something like that. That comes in the light, the reflection and everything. See how realistic this picture is. Okay, so let's go to design. Wow, this is top notch. You can use this as a graphic designer self. You can actually use this as a graphic designer. Wow, wow, wow. This is really, really awesome. This is awesome. And the amazing part about this is that it's totally free. Just totally free. It's as in it's totally free. Let's check this. Skincare product present in a close nature atmosphere with simple composition. The transparency of the bottle is enhanced by studio lighting to showcase their fluid forms and high-end design. The ultra detailed almost this is just so much like this is so much. See amazing. Wow, this is amazing. As in, this is really, really amazing. Really, okay, so that's just it's all about that. So, if you want me to talk about the other features and CapCut, which is others features, you can comment. We need tutorials on the comment section, and kindly subscribe if you are new to the channel. If you don't want to miss any of my videos, I teach videos about how to make money online and also software tools that can actually enhance your day-to-day activities on the online space. Okay, and also make money from it. So if you love and you actually learned something in this video, so just click on the subscribe button and share this video to your friends so that they don't also miss out in this tutorial. So love you guys, till we meet in our next tutorial.